The 2022 Science and Technology Billboard Online Annual Ceremony, jointly sponsored by Sina Finance Client and Sina Technology, opened today. Yang Juan, president of Haizhi Technology Group, pointed out that in the metaverse, the most basic interactive unit is a digital human, a virtual avatar, and a digital image of every individual in the physical world in the metaverse. Knowledge map technology landing applications can help digital people to build cognitive intelligence capabilities, so that digital people have wisdom and soul. The landing of the metaverse has different stages and different paths. What is going on now is the digital intelligence of the physical world. As the most basic interactive unit of the metaverse, the digital technology that supports the development of digital humans generally requires a combination of software and hardware, and ultimately have the characteristics of human appearance, behavior and intelligence. Yang Juan said. Yang Juan pointed out that the main application of knowledge graph technology can build the cognitive and intelligent capabilities of digital humans. At this stage, we need to integrate the knowledge graph technology with large-scale machine learning and pre-training models according to the specific field, and at the same time carry out transfer learning from various dimensions, such as knowledge and data structure, and realize it through knowledge distillation. Lightweight machine learning and pre-training models for professional fields, this is our common way to implement knowledge graph technology in the field of digital humans. The following is the transcript of the speech. Knowledge graph in the metaverse. Hello friends from Sina, I am Yang Juan from Haizhi Technology Group. I am very happy to participate in this forum of Sina technology integrity and innovation, technological improvement. The topic of my speech today is knowledge graph in metaverse. Friends who are familiar with information technology may know that knowledge graph is an important technical branch of artificial intelligence, especially cognitive intelligence, and it is also the cornerstone of the third generation of hybrid artificial intelligence. Recently, ChatGPT, chat robot model, has been very popular, and everyone is discussing whether ChatGPT can be used in the construction of the metaverse. Of course, ChatGPT is indeed very amazing, but in fact, in the past, we used BERT, pre-trained language representation model, transformer, natural language translation model, GPT-3, autoregressive language model, and other pre-trained large. When the model is applied in a specific industry or specific field, it often encounters a common problem. This field has very rigorous logical requirements for professional knowledge, high requirements for the accuracy of answers, and low error tolerance. But too much professionalism means that the corpus that can be provided to the model for pre-training is not rich enough. In order to solve such problems, we need to introduce knowledge graph technology and combine it with pre-trained large models such as machine learning and neural networks. The knowledge graph is an abstract expression of things and their relationships. It can relate fragmented knowledge, model the world in a higher dimension, interweave and connect the real world and the virtual world, and build the organic whole is used to achieve better analysis and reasoning knowledge, and finally effectively describe a metaverse. This technology is not only the cornerstone of artificial intelligence's thinking and answering, but also helps digital people in the metaverse to build their own knowledge and cognition. At the same time, the network of relationships between people, things, and places built by the knowledge map can map the real existence of the real world more realistically, accurately, and clearly, thus forming the underlying logic of the operation of the metaverse. We know that the landing of the metaverse has different stages and different paths, and what is going on now is the digital intelligence of the physical world. In the process of digital intelligence in the physical world, we integrate everything including housing, equipment, road network, traffic flow, logistics, personnel, mobile phones, accounts, and industry knowledge to extract and construct knowledge to form a real maps of the physical world can be constructed similar to crowd maps, equipment maps, enterprise maps, community maps, industry maps, etc. at the same time. These maps are intertwined and connected together to build various intelligent business scenarios, industrial scenarios, life scenarios, cultural tourism scenarios, financial scenarios, government scenarios, etc., to realize the digitization and intelligence of the physical world, which is what we call digital intelligence. In the metaverse, the most basic unit of interaction is the digital human, which is a virtual avatar, the digital image of every individual in the physical world in the metaverse. In recent years, the digital human industry has been very popular. Technology has developed rapidly in terms of visual and voice image simulation, motion capture, and scene rendering. However, the parts related to human interaction and cognition are still in a relatively early stage. To a large extent, it depends on whether we can build a super large-scale knowledge map that is rich enough, extensible enough, and accurate enough to make digital people truly have wisdom and soul. In 2019, digital domain Doug Robley took his virtual image DG Doug to the TED speech stage. In 2020, Samsung's XR Labs showed the virtual digital human Neon. In 2021, the virtual Huang Rinchen and his virtual kitchen. Digital people are now developing towards intelligence, convenience, refinement, and diversification. We are becoming more and more familiar with digital students, digital astronauts, digital mobile phone assistants, and digital anchors. These roles are no longer very novel to everyone. To support such a virtual human, digital technology generally requires a combination of software and hardware, which has the following three characteristics. First, a digital human needs to have a human appearance, with specific characteristics such as appearance, gender, and personality. Human behavior has the ability to express with language, facial expressions, and body movements. The third is to have cognitive intelligence, that is, to have human thoughts. To have the ability to recognize the external environment and to communicate, and interact with people, and to be able to reason and judge independently. Complete interactions and decisions. The knowledge map technology mainly applied in the third stage, which is to build the cognitive intelligence ability of digital humans. At this stage, we need to integrate the knowledge graph technology with large-scale machine learning and pre-training models according to the specific field, and at the same time carry out transfer learning from various dimensions, such as knowledge and data structure, and realize it through knowledge distillation. Lightweight machine learning and pre-training models for professional fields. This is our common way to implement knowledge graph technology in the field of digital humans. Haizhi Technology Group, as the first company in China to promote knowledge graph technology to enterprise-level applications, has applied knowledge graph technology to many fields such as finance, digital energy, smart city, smart transportation, epidemic prevention and control, smart manufacturing, and smart medical care. In this field, after completing the innovation of the application layer, it began to make breakthroughs and innovations towards the basic software layer, and launched a self-developed high-performance distributed real-time graph database Atlas Graph, which boosted the direction of artificial intelligence technology to the bottom layer. Through the innovation of the underlying technology promotes the construction of the artificial intelligence digital world and even the metaverse.